ko po siya.
So funny.
Haha.
So, home ka na?
I am. I just got home.
What time?
As in, ngayon lang. I just ate. Kinain ko yung tirang food kagabi kasi hindi nyo inubos yung food.
Di ko inubos yung food?
Dito, yung handa. Ang dami pang natira kaya.
Grabe naman. Of course
Yeah,
not.
because, you know, when you live alone, you gotta eat the leftovers.
Why don't you find someone to...
Okay lang ako, thanks.
Hindi, I wasn't gonna say anything. Why don't you find someone to
To?
play with? Pickleball.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gusto mo mag-pickleball?
Pwede. Masyadong
Kaso
magaling.
tennis ka, di ba? Ayan na si
Masyadong
Zay.
magaling.
Zay, record mo na. You say hi to Zay.
Hi, wait. Hi,
Ayan,
ma'am.
working,
Hello.
busy.
Hi po.
Ay, sorry.
Andito. Okay, bye guys. Balik na lang ako. Bye, Mikey.
Hi.
Ikaw na bahala. Bye. Don't forget to follow Mikey.